Okay, I wanted to make this video just to kind of show you what we had to go through in detail when we were cleaning these solar panels. So as you can see right here, what I'm doing is I'm spraying a solution on the powder itself. So this will pretty much lift the powder up from the panel, and we got to do this to every single solar panel out here because it's so thick with the powder. There's some that have oil, and after this, after the pre-treatment, we're going to go ahead and we're going to scrub this down with our high pressure brush. And this high pressure brush basically is going to take a lot of the dirt off, all the oil off, and it is a timely process. We have to scrub each one of these by hand, and that's exactly what we're doing right here. Is we are scrubbing them by hand just to make sure that this is all off. As you can see, this is coming off fairly easy with the solution that we did put on, and we put on the solution before we do any type of cleaning with this. This is going to be a 3-stage process where we're going to put the solution on first, make sure that the solution is there, and then after that point we're going to go ahead and we are going to do some rinsing and rinse all the solution off the panels. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put on the second application, and we sprayed it while it was wet. As you can see how it's foaming up, agitating really nice. This is cleaning it to where it's super clean, and all we have to do from this point is just agitate this all out so we get all the dirt out itself. Once we get this dirt out, we are going to finish it up with a final rinse, and we'll show you guys that in a bit. But as you can see here, we are cleaning these panels fairly nice. They're looking really good at this point, and the oil, the dirt, the powder, all that's coming off very nicely. The next step is we're going to go ahead and rinse the solution off. So let's show you how we go about doing that. So we're going to go ahead and rinse the solution off. Okay, and here we're going to go ahead and wash all the solution off. As you can see, all the solution is coming off with maybe one pass, and then all the bubbles will be gone, and this will dry up fairly nicely once this is done. As you can see here, it is perfect. So this is the last part of the application as far as rinsing it out, making sure it's nice and clean. And once it's clean, we're done with these panels. And this is all used with deionized water, and so it will dry up spot free, and you won't have any problems with production after this. It should be really good. Okay, this is going to conclude this video. Thank you guys for watching the video itself. Hopefully this explained the process, and so you can see what we actually are doing when we are cleaning these panels. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.